All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your project here, the Kennedy and Johnson timeline. So first thing I want to point out to you all is this is very important. Some of you have 5 events to do for this timeline. Others of you will only have 3. So sorry about the crazy 3 there. So please make sure that you are paying close attention to whether you have to do 5 events or 3 events, all right? Very important. Make sure you're paying close attention to that. Okay, continuing on here. So, once you've chosen the events, from the administrations of President Kennedy and President Johnson from the 1960s, you'll be telling me what that event was and what happened, and including a picture from that event. So, things to think about: Bay of Pigs invasion, Cuban Missile Crisis, Peace Corps, the Kennedy assassination, the Civil Rights Act of 1964, and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Now, also very important, make sure these are in the correct order. Okay, you want to make sure that you have these in the correct order. That's the purpose of a timeline, right? Make sure they are in the correct order. Don't just put things out of order. You want to make sure they are in the correct order. You do have the timeline document here. You have the PowerPoints as well to help you complete this, and the Kennedy Johnson timeline that you see here. So again, I'll either say 5 or 3 events. What happened? You're going to give me the date, whatever the date was. Tell me what happened, yada, yada, yada. Whatever happened at that event. All right. And then to include a picture, you go up here to Insert, Pictures. You go to Online Pictures, and then you should be able to get a picture. So let's say I wanted the Bay of Pigs invasion, for example. I type in Bay of Pigs invasion, and I get this in here. You'll see there's some different pictures of that, so I'm going to pick that one there, and then you obviously just have to kind of shrink it down and move it around however you want to on your screen. Okay, so that's all you're doing for this. Again, remember 5 or 3 events, whatever directions say. Make sure they're in the correct order, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.